welcome back to AI Path. This is Core Agent Systems, Part 2. Last time we built up the basics. An agent is an LLM plus tools, memory, a planner, a loop, and guardrails. Today we go deep on the one piece everybody gets wrong: memory. Short-term, long-term, and how agents actually remember things between conversations. Let's get into it. Here's the problem. By default, an LLM is a goldfish. Every time you call it, it forgets everything. No idea who you are, no idea what you talked about yesterday, no idea what step the agent was on 5 seconds ago. If you don't fix this, your agent will repeat itself, ask the same questions, and never improve. So the trick is, every single time we call the model, we have to hand it a fresh stack of paper that says, here's everything you need to remember right now. That stack of paper is the context window. There are 4 types of memory you'll use, and they each do a different job. 1. Short-term memory. This is just the recent conversation, kept word for word. The last few back-and-forth messages. 2. Working memory, also called scratchpad. This is the agent's own notes for the current task. Things like, I tried option A and it failed, now I'm trying option B. Throwaway, useful for one task. 3. Long-term memory. Facts that should survive across sessions. Your name, your preferences, decisions made last week. Usually stored in a real database. And 4. Episodic memory. Past experiences the agent learned from. Think last time I called this API, I had to retry twice. Most beginners only build short-term. The good agents use all 4. So how does this actually work in code? The recipe is the same in every framework. Step 1, when a new message comes in, you grab the user's input. Step 2, you look up relevant long-term memories from a database. This is usually a vector search. Find me the past notes that look most similar to what the user just said. This is what people mean when they say RAG. Step 3, you stitch it all together. System prompt at the top, long-term memories next, recent conversation, current scratchpad, and the new user message at the bottom. Step 4, you send that whole stack to the LLM and get a reply. Step 5, you save anything important from this turn back into long-term memory so the next call has it. That's it. That's the whole loop. Now, the big trap. The context window has a limit. Modern models can hold a lot, but every token you cram in costs money and slows the response down. And here's the kicker: more is not better. Studies show models actually get worse when the context is bloated with irrelevant stuff. They lose focus, just like a human reading a 50-page memo. So the rule is simple. Don't dump everything. Be picky. Summarize old conversation instead of pasting it. Only fetch the long-term memories that are actually relevant. Drop the scratchpad once the task is done. Quality of context beats quantity. Every time. Quick recap. LLMs are goldfish, you have to feed them context every call. For memory types, short-term, scratchpad, long-term, episodic. The 5-step loop is the same in every framework. And remember, quality of context beats quantity. Next time we go into reasoning, planning, and decisions. How agents pick their next move when the path isn't obvious. If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 3.